In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ADP Mobile. This is a quick and simple process, and if you follow along carefully, you should have the app installed and ready to open in just a few moments. I'll walk you through each part clearly so you know exactly what to look for on your screen. To get started, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app store for Android phones and tablets, and it's the safest place to download apps like ADP Mobile. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search field, type ADP Mobile Solutions. Make sure you enter the name carefully so the correct app appears in the search results. After typing it in, tap Search on your keyboard and wait for the results to load. Now look through the search results and find the app called ADP Mobile Solutions by ADP Inc. It's important to choose the correct app publisher so you know you're downloading the official version. If there are several apps with similar names, take an extra second to confirm that the app name and developer match exactly. Once you've found the right app, tap on it to open the app page. This page will show you more details about the app, including the developer name, screenshots, and the install button. When you're ready, tap Install. At this point, your device will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Now give it a little time to finish. The length of the download can depend on your internet speed and device performance, so don't worry if it takes a minute. You'll see the progress on the screen as the app installs. When the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. This will take you directly into ADP Mobile so you can begin the next part of the setup. From there, just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. The app will guide you through whatever setup or sign-in steps are needed, and those prompts may vary depending on your account or device settings. Take your time, read each screen carefully, and continue through the process as instructed. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded ADP Mobile on your Android device. If this is your first time installing it, just keep following the app's instructions until setup is complete.